Looking for the best air fryer on Amazon? I've done the research for you, comparing features, reviews, and prices to bring you the top 5 air fryers from trusted brands. These highly rated picks offer fast, oil-free cooking and are perfect for any kitchen. Check the description for full details and pricing. Let's dive into the video and find the perfect air fryer for you. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. Introducing the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Your new kitchen essential for fast, delicious, and healthier meals. With a powerful 1700-watt system and even crisp technology, this air fryer delivers golden, crispy results with up to 95% less oil. It's more than just an air fryer. It also broils, roasts, dehydrates, bakes, and reheats, making it incredibly versatile. The spacious 6-quart basket fits a whole chicken or plenty of fries, perfect for families and meal prep. Its sleek stainless steel design, one-touch smart programs, and easy-to-clean non-stick interior make cooking a breeze. Whether you're craving crispy wings, roasted veggies, or reheated leftovers, the Instant Vortex Plus makes it quick and simple. With thousands of 5-star reviews, it's a top choice on Amazon. Check out the link in the description to learn more and grab yours today. Number 2. Chefman Air Fryer Oven. Say hello to the Chefman 10-in-1 Multifunction Air Fryer Oven, the all-in-one appliance every modern kitchen needs. With a large 6.3-quart capacity and 10 built-in cooking presets, you can air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and even rotisserie, all in one sleek machine. The rapid air technology ensures crispy, golden results with little to no oil, making meals healthier without sacrificing taste. It's perfect for family dinners, meal prep, or quick snacks. This fryer features an interior light, dishwasher-safe accessories, and a digital touchscreen for easy control. Plus, it includes a rotisserie spit, airflow racks, and a drip tray. Whether you're roasting a whole chicken, making homemade jerky, or crisping up fries, the Chefman Air Fryer Oven delivers tasty results fast. Join thousands of happy users and upgrade your cooking game today. Number 3. Ninja Quart Air Fryer. Meet the Ninja AF1014 Quart Air Fryer, your go-to solution for quick, crispy, and healthier meals at home. With up to 75% less fat than traditional frying, this powerful air fryer uses rapid air circulation to cook your favorite foods to perfection. Its 4-quart ceramic-coated basket is the ideal size for families or small gatherings, easily fitting up to 2 pounds of fries or wings. With 4 versatile functions, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, you can make everything from crispy snacks to dried fruits and more. The wide temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit gives you complete control, while dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup easy. With thousands of glowing reviews, the Ninja AF101 is one of Amazon's most popular and trusted air fryers. Number 4. Cosori Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Introducing the Cosori 12-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven, the ultimate countertop appliance that combines style, power, and convenience. With 12 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and pizza, this all-in-one oven makes mealtime effortless and delicious. Its spacious 26-quart interior fits up to 6 slices of toast or a 12-inch pizza, perfect for families, entertaining, or meal prep. Powered by rapid heat circulation, it delivers crispy, evenly cooked results with up to 85% less oil than traditional frying. The easy-to-use LED screen, dial controls, and interior light ensure precise cooking every time. Plus, it comes with essential accessories and a recipe book to inspire your next dish. Whether you're crisping leftovers or baking a fresh batch of cookies, the Cosori Air Fryer Oven does it all in one sleek design. Number 5. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Introducing the Cuisinart TOA-70 Air Fryer Toaster Oven, a premium 8-in-1 kitchen appliance that combines air frying and convection baking in a sleek stainless steel design. This versatile countertop oven lets you air fry, bake, broil, toast, warm, and even roast with powerful, even heat distribution. With a spacious 0.6 cubic foot capacity, it fits up to 6 slices of toast, a 12-inch pizza, or a 4-pound chicken, making it perfect for families or entertaining. The adjustable temperature control and 60-minute timer ensure precision cooking, while the auto shutoff adds peace of mind. Its built-in air fryer function delivers crispy results with little to no oil, ideal for healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Stylish, compact, and multifunctional, the Cuisinart TOA 70 is a must-have for anyone looking to save space and time in the kitchen. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I share useful product videos every day. For more details or to check the latest prices, just have a look at the description below. Got a question or facing any issues? Drop a comment. I'm here to help. Thank you for watching the video till the end.